Hello little buddies, welcome to Storytime with Frozendoll. Today we have yet another beautiful book to read together. It is Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Have you ever wondered what the animals in the zoo actually do? So in this story, we meet a lot of animals who are there at the zoo, and the story tells us what they actually try to do. So let's go read together and have some fun with the animals at the zoo. Polar bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. Leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Walrus, Walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children. Growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, fluting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. That was a beautiful story. Let's just go back and look at it again. So, in the beginning, we have the polar bear, which was white in color, and then the next one, which was a lion, which was brown. A beautiful picture of the lion. And then we have the hippopotamus, all blue in color. And the flamingo, it's a pink flamingo here. And then we had the zebra. What's the color of the zebra? It's got black and white on it. It's got black lines. It looks so beautiful. And the elephant, which is like gray and black. And the leopard. The leopard has yellow and black spots on it. The peacock. The peacock is a very beautiful bird. It's got a lot of colors. And then we have the walrus. It's pink in color here. And the zookeeper, who's ready doing a lot of cleaning and feeding the animals. And what does the zookeeper hear? So the children are really loud, and the zookeeper feels that the children are making all the noises that the animals in the zoo are making as well. That seems really funny. That was a very interesting book. I hope you all enjoyed reading. Polar bear, what do you hear? That was Frozendoll reading for you. See you all soon again. Please subscribe to my channel Storytime with Frozendoll. Please watch this video, press the like button and share your valuable comments.